Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with a bonus video today. Mixed Media Minnesota has their December kit ready and it is going to be listed the week of Thanksgiving. So I wanted to hurry up and do the video today so you guys could see. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. It's going to be awesome this is going to be one of my after the first of the year projects, I think, if not before. So it's Stamperia and it's Oriental Garden. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, so if I go like this, how much can you see? You can see both sides pretty well, I think. So I love how they have started putting journaling cards and things on the cover. That was so brilliant of them. So look at all these fun journaling cards. And then look at this. Oof, so pretty. And the red on the back. Oh, and look at this. It's like a collage of all the pretty Oriental papers. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Some journaling cards, a big long panel. I could see that maybe folded in half and put in the journal or something. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. That is gorgeous. So pretty, little butterfly. And I don't have this paper, and I've seen it. I just have never. Oh my gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous though. Really beautiful. This is fun. Wow. And then the tags and belly bands or bookmarks or whatever. And then the circles. All those lovely pieces that I pointed out are in the circles. Oh, this is so fun. Look at this. Wow. And this is the back. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, so that's the paper line. So the die cuts come with, look at this tiger. So all the chipboard die cuts, and then a pack of Prima flowers, chipboard piece from Creative Embellishments that's like a cherry blossom, stamp set. This is a Stamperia stamp set, and it's like little sales tags. That's so cute. That's really fun. And then there's Tim Holtz embossing ink and 2 embossing powders, rose gold and sage. Ooh, those are going to be pretty. Ooh, how fun. Then there's a Tim Holtz stencil, let me tell you, blossom layering stencil. And there are rub-ons. We haven't played a lot with rub-ons. I have lots of rub-ons from my mixed media days, but we'll have to do these in this book. So fun. Then there's a Stamperia fabric ribbon. Look at that. Let me get that up to the camera. Isn't that pretty? Kind of a brown, but with a lace effect in the middle. So pretty. So that is the kit. That's the December kit. Shannon has 45 available, so zip over there to get yours. It's and the listing will be up Thanksgiving week. So how about that for a fully loaded kit, huh? Okay, and that is not all Shannon sent. She also sent digitals that let me move the kit. Digitals from Mixed Media Minnesota that will go right along with it. Let me get this out of the bag, and then I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see see this really well. There we go. There we go. Okay, so let's see. This is called Oriental Flair, a digital on Mixed Media, Minnesota. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Love that. Love that. So pretty. Look at the cherry blossoms. Oh, this is on vellum. Look at how beautiful that is. Let me put it against the white so you can see it better. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. This one has very light grid paper in the back. Oh, so pretty. Oh, this is lovely kit. Lovely. Ooh, look at the tiger. Love that. Ooh, here's another piece of vellum. Let me put it against the white once again. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Love it. Look at that with this shiny gold. And the envelopes, tags, and small tags. Look at the small tags. Look at the tiger. Love that tiger. So that is Oriental Flair digital kit on Mixed Media, Minnesota. So that will go great with those papers. So there's a project that's coming. So December kit, Thanksgiving week listing, there's only 45 of them. And then this is the Oriental Flair digital. So thanks so much, Shannon from Mixed Media, Minnesota, for sharing all this with us. And I will just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day, everyone. Bye-bye.